Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to use the Precor tester. Looks like a little phone jack. Let's say if the Precor treadmill didn't have any power or there was no belt movement and you're trying to figure out if the IFT drive down there is good. So what you're going to need is two ways to test it. What you're going to need is a tester cord for the first way. What you would do is set your meter to DC volts right there. You unplug the little wire down here, the little phone wire. Little data cable right there. Unplug that one. Plug in your test cord. I got it plugged in. Here's the other end of my test cord. I'm going to plug it into the Precor box right there. Okay, got it plugged in there. I'm going to turn the box around and use these two prongs right here. This is negative and this is positive. So you want to put your red on the positive, your red lead. And like so. You should get a steady volt reading of 9.78. If you see that number jumping all over the place, then your IFT drive / lower board is bad. Now let's look at the other way to test it.